So next we're going to look at the shape tool. So shape tools can be made to make like banners, they can be used to make navigation bar buttons, they can be used to make squares where text is going to be, or a border for an image. So where that is it's to the left of the hand, okay? Yours may actually, give me a second, look like a rectangle, okay? If you click and hold down on it, it shows these hidden tools. So anything that has a small triangle in the lower right-hand corner has hidden tools behind it. So I'm going to show you each one of these. The rectangle tool, if you click on that, okay, I'm going to click and drag. Now, the fill is going to be red, meaning that inside color of this box, and the stroke is going to be nothing, meaning the outline's not going to be anything. How do I know this? I'm going to let go so I can show you. Okay, I know this. First off, my properties is going to come up. But up here at the top, when I grabbed that shape, it says fill red, stroke nothing. If I want to change those colors, I just click on the fill. I can do fill white. Okay, and then the stroke, I could just click and change to black. And now you will see that, okay, you can't actually see the black because I'm noticing right now that let me select it with my selection tool, path selection, I have a 0 point, meaning there's no points or no thickness to that line. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click this little arrow and I'm going to up it. Okay, you can sit in here and do 15 pixels, okay, and it'll show up like that. Or you can adjust it over here in the properties. So I could even, change the outline to this and change my pixels to outline stroke to more pixels. You can also change the line type. So you could do a dashed line, okay, a real dashed line, or straight line, okay, solid line. So that is your rectangle tool. If you want, I'll go back to my rectangle tool, a fixed square, you are going to click and drag with your mouse, hold down the shift key, and it will keep it, I'm just going back and forth, it will keep it a nice square. Okay. Give your computer some time to figure out what it's doing. Okay, if you do something and you're like, it's not showing up, give it a second. Let's go back here to our shapes tool. I'm going to click and hold down. I'm going to skip over the rounded rectangle. Reason why, it's the exact same as the rectangle tool, just rounded corners. The next is the ellipse tool. Again, click and drag. Give it a second. You can also make a perfect circle by holding the shift key down, click and drag, and there's your perfect circle. Again, back to your shapes tool, click and hold down. Now the polygon tool, I'm going to show you how to make a triangle out of this as well. So watch closely. You're going to click on it and you're going to click and drag. Now notice there are 5 points. Okay, you can click and drag 5 points, and notice again, up at the top, my control panel, it says sides. Let me do 3 and press enter. Now when I click and drag, I have a triangle. If I want the triangle to be perfect, see how I'm like, oh wait, is that perfect? Is it straight? Just hold the shift key down. Okay, it'll help you out. Do you notice how this is off the page and you can't see it? Okay, it's not going to show up. Okay, so make sure you realize if something's off the page, it's not going to show, especially an image. If you throw an image on there.